Catching snowflakes, a whimsical winter wonderland phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss: catching snowflakes. It's a phrase that paints a picturesque winter scene, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about this charming expression, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the magical world of snowflakes and discover the meaning and usage of this delightful phrase. At its most basic, catching snowflakes refers to the act of observing or catching falling snowflakes, usually with one's hands or tongue. It's a common activity during snowy weather, especially among children or those embracing the joy and wonder of a snowfall. However, this phrase can also carry a deeper meaning, symbolizing the appreciation of the fleeting moments of beauty in life. It reminds us to cherish the small, ephemeral joys that life offers. Catching snowflakes isn't just a physical activity, it's steeped in symbolism. Each snowflake is unique, and catching them is often seen as an attempt to grasp the uniqueness and beauty of the moment. It can represent hope, purity, and the transient nature of life. In literature and art, this activity is frequently used to depict innocence, wonder, and the simple pleasures that bring us happiness. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically in English conversations and writing. Literally, we spent the afternoon catching snowflakes on our tongues, laughing as each one melted away. Metaphorically, learning to appreciate the small things in life is like catching snowflakes. It's about finding beauty in what is fleeting and temporary. In either usage, it evokes a sense of joy, wonder, and the importance of cherishing the moment. Catching snowflakes is a phrase that resonates across various cultures that experience snow. It appears in children's books, movies, and songs, often evoking nostalgia for childhood winters. It's a universal experience that connects people through shared memories of winter joy and the natural beauty of snow. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, catching snowflakes, and the rich imagery and symbolism it carries. Whether literally catching them on your tongue or metaphorically embracing the fleeting moments of beauty in life, this phrase reminds us to appreciate the wonders of the world around us. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more insights into the beautiful nuances of the English language. Stay curious, and keep catching those snowflakes.